Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a delicious fresh strawberry pie. For this homemade pie, I wanted to make sure that it was bursting with strawberry flavor. You want to add about 2 pounds of strawberries to a medium bowl. Add 1 cup of sugar. And about 1/4 of a cup of flour. Salt. Add a little allspice. And nutmeg and cinnamon. So now we're going to give it a good mix, making sure that the berries are well coated. Let the mixture sit for about 10 minutes. Go ahead and take your uncooked pie crust of choice. My favorite is Pillsbury. And sprinkle some of the sugar filling on the dough. Now you can spoon the strawberries into the pie crust. So now I'm adding butter cubes to the mixture. I've melted some butter in a cup. I'm just going to stick my hand in the butter and press it around the edges of the pie. Don't forget about your edges, guys. Using the second pie dough, use a pastry wheel to cut the strips to create a lattice top. Then layer your pie with about 5 strips. You're going to want to fold 2 of them down. Then starting in the middle, take the next 2 strips and lay it horizontal. Flip the vertical ones back over. Then do the bottom half exactly the same way. Go ahead and remove the remaining dough from the edges. And secure them with your fingers. I'm going to layer the top of the pie with melted butter. Sprinkle a little sugar on top. A little nutmeg. You want to preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Place the pie in the oven for about 1 hour or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Let the pie cool for at least 2 to 3 hours before serving.